Ever wondered how Netflix recommends movies you might like, or how your email filters spam? These aren't just random processes. They're the result of intricate systems built by machine learning engineers. But what does that even mean? Let's break it down. Think of a child learning to recognize different animals. You show them pictures of cats, dogs, birds, and so on. Over time, they start identifying these animals on their own. That's how machine learning works. In this case, the child is the machine and the animals are the data. Machine learning engineers use algorithms to teach computers to recognize patterns in data. Just like the child, the computer learns over time. So, when Netflix suggests a movie you might enjoy, it's because a computer has learned your preferences over time. Or when your email filters out spam, it's because a computer has learned to recognize spammy content. In essence, machine learning is teaching computers to learn from data, much like how we learn from experience. So, who are the wizards behind these smart computers? They're called machine learning engineers. These engineers are the puppeteers pulling the strings, the ones who breathe life into the machines. They use complex algorithms and statistical models, a sort of magic spell if you will, to teach computers to perform tasks without explicit instructions. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You don't provide a step-by-step guide. Instead, you show them various pictures of cats until they understand. That's how machine learning engineers train computers, using vast amounts of data and patterns. But don't be fooled, this isn't a skill learned overnight. These engineers often have a strong foundation in computer science, programming, and mathematics. They have to be fluent in the language of algorithms and the logic of code. Machine learning engineers are the architects of the intelligent systems that make our lives easier and more entertaining. They are the unsung heroes of our digital age. But how does machine learning actually work in practice? Well, let's think of it as a baking adventure. Our first step is gathering the ingredients, or in machine learning terms, collecting and cleaning data. Just like you wouldn't want to bake with spoiled eggs, engineers ensure the data they use is accurate and relevant. Next, they choose the right algorithm, much like you'd choose a recipe. Some algorithms are better suited to certain tasks than others, so this step is crucial to the success of the model. Now it's time for the fun part, training the model. This is akin to mixing our ingredients together and popping the cake in the oven. The model learns from the data, adjusting its parameters until it can make accurate predictions. Finally, the model is tested and deployed. This is like tasting the cake to make sure it's just right, and then serving it up for everyone to enjoy. The process is like baking a cake. With the right ingredients and recipe, you can create something delicious. So why does all of this matter? What's the impact of machine learning on our world? Machine learning is like a chameleon, blending seamlessly into various aspects of our lives, often without us even realizing. It's the force behind the personalized movie recommendations you receive on your favorite streaming platform, the predictive text on your smartphone, and even the life-saving medical diagnoses made possible by analyzing patterns in patient data. But it's not all roses and sunshine. As with any powerful tool, machine learning comes with its own set of ethical considerations. Data privacy concerns arise as more and more personal information is fed into these algorithms. The potential for bias, whether it's in facial recognition technology or loan approval algorithms, is a pressing issue that must be addressed. Yet, despite these challenges, one thing is certain. As we move forward in this digital age, machine learning will continue to shape our world in ways we can't even imagine yet.